It's kind of the end of one chapter and the beginning of the next. This course was everything, right? It's one of the lasting things with my father. It's one of the last things we did together.
This is a full-blown X Games course with everything, and now it's going back in the ponds.
Nature has taken over. We are going to prep this place for one last ride. Here, it's just been sitting here for years. Haven't touched it because I wasn't allowed to. Newman Tractor decided to help us out on this project. This is more than I could ask for. I mean, look at these beauties. Jarryd McNeil.
Jarryd just keeps finding more tools.
No wonder you can do so many tricks.
Damn. All right, ladies, now come on up.
Me and Jarryd have been competing against each other for 12 years now. It's just turned into a real friendship. It's tough to find people that you really get along with, that you can trust. Just know that they're always going to be there to help you out. It's one of those rare things in life, so when you get it, you got to hold on to it.
Put the place up.
Myself and Tom are good mates, and our family is friends. I had a good relationship with Tom's dad, so watching Tom go through this, watching his dad go through this is terrible. It's a real sad one, but when your mate needs a hand, you give him a help.
We got Mr. GQ, New Zealand.
GQ?
Like the country's sexiest men.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
Jay, we're taking the carpets off.
I got bit by so many ants just now. T-minus 12 hours.
Oh man.
Place up. Yeah, we know what we made of. Can't get
Newman Tractor making dreams come true. Jarryd's only been wanting to do this for how many years?
A long ass time. This clay is crazy, but it's sandy. I'm wondering what it's gonna do.
What do you think, mate? Oh, scary. It's been so dry out here in Florida the last couple weeks. We've been struggling to groom the stuff that we want to ride. Oh man, it is a miracle. Hopefully we get the perfect amount of rain to finish grooming and actually get to have a good session on the course. A little emotional, man. It's almost like my dad's looking down on us, helping us have one good last ride.
Ready to send it, brother.
I'm just stoked we're gonna have one more ride, man. My dad would love this.
This is for Elvis.
Let's warm this up, give it a go.
Whoa. As he goes off and the drum peels away, I just go. We got the poppy dirt hitch. We are smiles ear to ear, but we have to do good.
That's it. Me and the boys sent it. Wish my dad could be here to watch us ride the final time, but I'm just glad I got to share it with Jay and Jarryd and Caleb. Now we go back to work. The next time you see this place, it'll be flat.
Like, it sucks pulling sports apart for Tom, but this is a blast. This is basically making a road on a mountain. You don't even have pluggers on, you're just in bare feet. Oi, I'm like, I don't even know if this is approved. I probably shouldn't do that while you're there. Sketchy. Let's go. And I spent most of my time in the Sany ST265. Very impressed actually. A lot of people are a bit like hesitant on Sany. They talk about it being a Chinese manufactured machine. Little do they know there's a lot of equipment that's made in China. I think their qualities came a long way. Big shout out to Newman Tractor. I reached out to them, they responded, they put me in contact with the right people, and just off the get-go, just taking things into action, not messing around and getting things done. We couldn't have done it out without you guys. This is a pretty sad time, but I think you guys brought a little bit of a smile to our faces while we demolished this place, and that's what it's all about.
I know we did the last ride, but we got one jump left. I got this OG dirt hit that was always one of my favorite jumps. I feel like I have to jump that one. I can't leave before we jump the dirt jump. Come on. You spend your life trying to get to a point where you can, build exactly what you want. This was a dream of both of ours, me and my dad. This is what he loved. He'd sit out here on his quad every day that we were riding and just sit here and watch all the boys send it. I mean, this is the dream. It's the dream.